20,003 members. I'm proud to say that the mighty 13th District came in second overall for the detachment, with this squadron ending the year with 116% and 192 at 60%. Great job by all. Commander Carter's theme is scoring for our veterans by tackling their needs. His colors are scarlet and gray. The Commander's charities of choice this year are the Fisher House and Wreaths Across America. Fisher House helps families with housing and travel so they may be near veteran in need at area VA hospitals. Wreaths Across America helps families remember our fallen by honoring their legacy with a wreath of remembrance. Commander Carter will be happy to attend any and all events you have regarding these two charities, as well as myself and Commander Rapp. And I make a meatloaf. Please contact Commander Rapp or myself by email or phone number. Let us know what your events are. And the Commander is also quite involved with our monthly newsletter called The Source for the Sons of the American Legion. So make sure you send an email and get signed up for our newsletter so you can advertise all your events and anything you want to let the rest of the detachment know about. Remember, a very important website for us is floridasons.org. You can submit your events and any other information you want on floridasons.org. All your forms for successfully running your squadron are there also. Whatever you do to support our American Legion families' causes, just make sure you're having fun. Sons of the American Legion work hard. We make lots of money. We donate it back to our charities, and we do it all over again. A couple weeks ago when we had our spring or summer convention up in Orlando, even though a lot of posts were shut down for a few months with the pandemic, the Sons of the American Legion still donated over $176,000 to our charities. Sergeant at Arms, would you bring before me the newly elected officers of Squadron 38 and 192?
And salute. Two. Commander represents the newly elected officers of Squadron 38 and 192.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. Commander. You have been chosen to fill the various offices of this squadron. You will, I know, vindicate the trust that has been reposed in you, and you will fulfill in every way the obligations that trust entails. You will familiarize yourselves with the duties of your particular offices, and you will proceed upon those duties in the same spirit of devotion and endeavor that characterized your parents' or grandparents' service in all wars, out of which came their basis for membership in the American Legion and your own in the Sons of the American Legion. You must know that the welfare and success of the squadron depends largely on you. And you must also know that upon your shoulders equally rests the burden of preserving the integrity of the Sons of the American Legion. You must protect and advance its good name for the people of this community, state, and nation. You must exalt in their eyes. Ever remember the tolerant spirit that animates us as members. There is no rank among us, for each serves as equal of his comrade and will strive for the same goal, which is a realization in the life of the Republic of the ideals of justice, freedom, democracy, and loyalty. Ever remember that the cardinal purposes of the Sons of the American Legion are the care of the dependents of those who have answered the final call and those who are now suffering from disease and want. Rightful education of our children, of our country, and devoted service to the community, state, and nation. You will raise your right hand and repeat after me, placing your name where I place mine. I, Mike McCord, do solemnly pledge myself to perform faithfully and impartially the duties of the office in the Sons of the American Legion I am about to assume. And I further pledge I am not a member of and do not subscribe to principles of any group opposed to our form of government. May I lower your hands. Would the newly installed officers please turn and face the audience? I present to you the officers of your choice. I congratulate you on the selections you have made. Now that you have chosen them to guide the destinies of this squadron, it is your duty to aid them in every way. Help them to keep the Sons of the American Legion a free organization of free men, faithful to its principles and ideals. Gentlemen, about face, congratulations on your election. I know you will perform your duties faithfully and guide your squadron to be the best in the district. Please allow me to be the first to salute you. Sergeant at Arms, please escort the officers to their seats with the exception of the commander.
And salute. 2.
Sergeant at Arms Mike Schwartz, could you please escort the commander to the podium? Commander, to you is entrusted a very sacred duty, that of teaching and protecting the cardinal purposes of the Sons of the American Legion throughout your entire squadron. To you is entrusted the supervision of the duties of all the squadron officers. To you will come the poor and the troubled, and it is your duty to see that no worthy comrade is turned away without justice. It is your duty to see that freedom is ever the watchword of those of whom you come in contact with. Loyalty to your squadron, to its members, and to the American Legion family are requirements which you now assume. You are more than the presiding officer at meetings. You are guided by the Constitution and by the decision of the squadron as a body. Yet the responsibility for failure or success of the year's program is largely upon your shoulders. You must initiate and carry programs through to completion. You must thoroughly familiarize yourself with the policies and traditions of your squadron and of the Sons of the American Legion. To you I extend the congratulations of the Detachment of Florida and District 13, and I assume you will as you assume the responsibilities of your office. I give to you this gavel as a symbol of your authority. You must use it fairly and justly and never out of haste or anger. Congratulations, Commander. I look forward to working with you and your officers this year. Allow me to be the first to salute you. We have a couple goodies for the Commander and the squadron. There's some pills in here if we can fix it. one for the Sons of the American Legion Detachment Membership 2020 to 2021 District Commanders Award for the Sons proudly lending a supporting hand. And one for the 100% membership goal for Squadron 38. Commander, would you like to say anything?
How you guys doing today?
Good.
My name's Dominic.
Speak up.
Sorry. I am the squadron commander here at Post 38. I'm humbly happy and honored to be here. This will be going into my 5th year. It's been a journey. When I first stepped up and assumed the role, I didn't kind of realize what kind of role I was getting myself into.
What your Uncle 3 went through.
Yeah.
But as time went by, I kind of understood more what they do here, why it's important, what we do here, and it's an awesome feeling to know that I'm a part of something bigger than myself. I know here at our post, we do a lot for the community and our veterans, whether it's the food pantry. When the pandemic hit, we were doing a lot of food deliveries to our first responders, so that was very cool. Went to different fire departments, police departments, hospitals, and also before I forget, I do want to touch on what Christian said. I do want to thank my dual members. They are here a lot. They attend the meetings, they attend the events, they volunteer a lot. So thank you to you guys as well. And it's been a learning process for me and growth. It's helped me grow a lot. It's built some skills that I've been able to add to my skill set, leadership, time management. And I thank you guys all for coming out. I know it's been kind of different the past few years, so to see all these faces here means a lot. So thank you again for coming out.
Sergeant at Arms, please escort the commander back to his seat. Sergeant at Arms, please escort the district commander to the podium.
Don't get me volunteering. I heard that.
All right. This is left.
Throw a little monkey wrench into the works. District Sergeant at Arms and Assistant District Sergeant at Arms, would you please assemble both Post 38 and Post 192 in the back of the room?
Stand up there.
I'm going to do both installations at once, gentlemen, please. What? No. No. Mike, I apologize. District Sergeant at Arms, would you please escort the District Sons Commander to his seat? Escort.
You already doing one. Two. I'm feeling trapped. Maybe that need one.
You.
Number two.
District Sergeant at Arms and District Assistant Sergeant at Arms, would you please escort the incoming officers of Post 38 and Post 192 in front of the podium?
Forward. Mark.